Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA. In this video, we are going to see about Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MGNREGA aims at enhancing the livelihood security of people in rural areas by guaranteeing 100 days of wage employment in a financial year to a rural household whose adult members volunteer to do unskilled manual work. The major concerns to protect the workers are availability of funds to execute the works based on labor demand, expeditious entry of muster roll details in MIS and wage payment. Delays in payment of wage, what indeed occurring on account of either or both the issues. The government of Andhra Pradesh has addressed the problem relating to wage payment through e-muster and smart card systems. This has been explained in another visual documents. The issue of timely availability of funds at the mandal level has been addressed through Electronic Funds Management System EFMS. Fund management before EFMS, both the central and state funds were routed through only one bank account at state level and then released to districts based on the approved labor budget. From district, funds would be released to mandal for execution of works in Grama Panchayat. As far as the availability of funds is concerned, problems of deficit the funds in some districts and blocking unspent funds in other districts was quite common. The districts with high demand for work had to borrow funds for the district which had parked. Sometimes the state was not able to provide funds to the line department for execution of works. This situation contributed to delays in wage payments. To address these problems, the government of Andhra Pradesh discussed with bankers and IT professionals to use the co-banking facility for proper fund management. Thus came Electronic Funds Management System or EFMS as a solution. In Andhra Pradesh, wage payments are done by banks, post offices and women SIGs. Details of all these pay agencies, material suppliers, vendors along with names of banks, IFSC Indian Financial System Code are stored in RAGAS Rashtriya Gramina Abhivruddhi Samacharam software. All designated officers are provided with digital signature keys along with passwords to upload the FTOs. How are the funds electronically transferred to the account of beneficiary? Every weekend, all details are entered into main software at Mandal computer centers. And electronic pay orders are generated to make payment of the wages, material supplied and contingency expenditures. The e-pay orders are electronically grouped as Fund Transfer Orders FTO. These FTOs are electronically transmitted to NREGAS central servers every day by the designated officers using DSK, Digital Signature Key. The NREGA server consolidates all FTOs and generates FTO files. The FTO files are segregated into bank-wise files. The nodal bank servers automates further process of e-pay orders and processes the fund transfer into authorized accounts without manual interference. The nodal banks transfer the funds electronically to various parts of the states between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on all working days. For entire processing of files and electronic transfer of funds to beneficiary account, it took about 24 hours after uploading of FTO to NREGA's servers. Where workers have their wage accounts in the post offices, funds directly go to the head post office account. Where workers have their wage accounts in the bank, funds go to the bank pool account. Where SIG members make the payment of wages, funds are transferred through SIG account. For payment through smart cards, funds are transferred to smart card bankers pool account. For material supplier, after submission of bills, funds are transferred to his account from nodal bank. The salaries of EGS functionaries are deposited into the SB account on uploading of FTOs. A notification is given to mobile phone and email ID of beneficiaries regarding fund transfer. The EFMS system has ensured timely availability of funds to districts requiring them without allowing unproductive blocking of funds and districts without an immediate demand for funds. Because of the timely availability of funds, payment of wages to wage seekers is facilitated, bringing happiness to their lives. Activity flow of existing systems. NREGA has modules available for complete workflow. Currently, most of the information is entered ex post facto and some of the information is entered in real time. Activity flow of proposed system. While the data elements being captured and the operational procedure will remain unaltered, modifications will be required in the manner of capturing and transferring of data.